Hi there, students. To winnow, or to winnow out, or to winnow down. To winnow, the basic meaning is to separate the grain from the chaff, to separate the wheat from the chaff. Okay, in the past, a long time ago, you would harvest you would reap your field, you would cut the corn or the wheat, and then you would thresh it, you'd bang it to get the seeds from the stalks, and then you'd let it dry, and then you need to separate the skin round the seed from the seed. So you would take a big flat basket and you'd wait for a windy day, and then you would throw the seed in the air and the wind would blow the chaff away and the seeds would drop down again because they were heavy and unaffected by the wind. That is to winnow, to separate the wheat from the chaff. But almost nobody does that nowadays. We use this phrase nowadays to talk about separating the good from the bad, getting rid of the undesirable part of something, eliminating it. And we very often use this verb to winnow with to winnow out or to winnow down. So you winnow out the bits that you don't want. You eliminate them. If you have a large number of things, you winnow down to enough to be able to deal with, to the last few that are the very best. Okay, so for example, I need to winnow out the mistakes in my computer program. I need to find them and eliminate them. I've got too many things in my garage. I need to winnow down the junk in my garage, to reduce it by getting rid of the things that I really don't need. Okay? So to winnow down is to reduce the volume of something by eliminating part of it. When you read the newspapers, it's often very difficult to winnow fact from fiction, to separate what is true and what is not true. Okay, so we use this verb to winnow, meaning to reduce by eliminating the bits that we don't want or the bits that are no good. Almost like to weed out the bits that are, to weed out the bits that are undesirable. So you winnow out the bits you don't want, and you winnow down a large volume or a large number of somethings to a more manageable quantity. Okay, notice this word comes from Old English, windwean, which is an Old English word for the wind. Okay, and you would use the wind to winnow your grain. Notice as well, it's a regular verb, winnow, winnowed, winnowed. Now to the formality. I think this word is semi-formal, between semi-formal and neutral. I guess you could use it in an informal conversation, but maybe to separate out, to reduce the amount, to weed out, those would certainly be more informal. To winnow sounds slightly romantic and literary. It would certainly be really good for an exam essay. It's another one of these words to show your brilliant vocabulary. meaning to choose the best bits or to get rid of the bits that really are not top quality. Okay, to separate. So, semi-formal are better in a formal context than in an informal context. A regular verb, meaning to separate the good from the bad, to reduce the bits that are superfluous, if you like. So there you go, to winnow. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Winnow.